This problem, it's going to be a function that helps us identify whether a year is a leap year, and we're given these three criteria. The year can be evenly divided by 4, unless the year can be evenly divided by 100, unless the year can also be evenly divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. So for this problem, we're going to go over here, and I've started writing out what this function is going to be. It's going to take a year, and it's going to be called leap year. And so we're actually going to start from we're going to start from the bottom and work our way up. So we know that the first criteria is that, or like the last criteria is that the year is, if it's divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. So if x 400, actually sorry, the x remainder 400 is equal to 0, return true. And then we're going to go here. This is our second condition. And so our second condition is that the year can be evenly divided by 100 if x remainder 100 equals 0. Then if this is true, then if this statement is true, then we'll return true, else we'll return false, false. Okay? And then our last condition is just the first condition right here. And if the year can be evenly divided by 4, it's a leap year. If x 0 is a leap year, then it can be true. Else true, return true. All right, and yeah, that pretty much works for us. So now if we want to test this out, we'll try leap year of, let's say, 2020, and we'll see what happens. True. So yeah, this year is actually a leap year. We try the year, let's give a year 1800 is not a leap year, so we can try 1800. And it returns false. So there it is.